Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can fix TikTok not opening on your PC or your laptop. To do so, try to open up TikTok first of all on your Google browser. If it's not working, close your Google browser, refresh your page and turn your Wi-Fi on and off. If you do this, it could fix your problem. Still, if it's not fixing your problem, maybe try to restart your laptop once. So you have tried all these options and yet still your TikTok is not opening up on your PC or your laptop. An alternative way would be to open up a VPN. Open up a VPN and select a different country to use a TikTok in which it is allowed. Maybe because on your country or on the place you are in, the TikTok is not allowed it, that's why it's not opening up. So to open and use TikTok properly, get a VPN, select any kind of country that VPN works, and then open up it again. After that, you can see that your TikTok will open up, and now your problem could be fixed. And this how you can fix a problem of TikTok not opening up on your PC or your laptop. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.